rising interest rates, recession. Is the market going to crash in Arizona or anywhere in this nation? Hi, I'm Nicole Lord with AZ Homes by Nicole at Home Smart Lifestyles. Well, a lot has been moving in this real estate market. So let me give you a quick rundown of what I am seeing in the Arizona real estate market. So let's get started. Many appraisers are noticing a start to a slowdown for them. Remember, appraisers not only come out during a purchase transaction, but they have been overwhelmed with refis. A lot of refinances have slowed down now. The interest rates were in a low 3% range, and some people were even locking in the high 2%. That was an amazing rate for a purchase or a refinance. But now you know rates have gone up quite a bit, and buyers are more in the 5 to 6% range for their interest rate. So refinancing might not make sense for a lot of people, which is why there is a slowdown on refis. People are still buying though in the Arizona market. The buyer demand is still very high. You might be thinking, well, if interest rates hike up, won't buyers drop out of the market and home prices go down? Well, you have to remember that we have a climate that brings people here. Retirement, jobs, weather. Also, we've had big news across the valley about big corporations under construction, such as LG, Samsung, an electric semi-truck manufacturer, expansion of Intel, Lucid electric car, Amazon expansion, and more. They are bringing in thousands of jobs to our state. More jobs equals more people. In addition, the rental market is almost more outrageous than buying a house. Most rental homes will require that you make 3 times the monthly rent, plus all the additional deposits. So even though interest rates are rising, the rent prices are still worse than if you were to get into a mortgage. So we have renters jumping into the market. Arizona is more insulated than it can be. Rising interest rates are merely just changing the affordability level that the buyers have. So if they were qualifying before at a 3 to 4%, now they're having to qualify for a point to a 1.5 more. It's just going to reduce what their purchase price was before the interest rate hike. Also, I do think that those sellers that have leased solar on their home, it may start to affect those listings a bit more. Why? Because when someone's purchasability is already being adjusted by the interest rate, they also must qualify for the solar lease the homeowner has a contract with. Here, let me give you some numbers. If you were originally qualified for a $400,000 home a couple months ago, but now interest rates are up, so now you only qualify for $360,000. But your dream house has a solar lease. You still must qualify for that solar payment plus your mortgage payment. So in reality, your buying power is now down if you take on a solar lease. Now your pre-approval is at a $340,000 or lower. Now if it's paid off solar, then it doesn't affect anything. We are still seeing multiple offers, so people are still offering above asking. We're still having bidding wars. We're still seeing waived appraisals or an appraisal waiver with a cap amount. But it's not outrageous like we were seeing. Offers are not coming in $80,000 plus over asking price. Sellers are not receiving 20 plus offers in 24 hours. Yes, there are still homes that are absolute stunners that may bring in those scenarios, but a change has begun. Things have not slowed down in the Arizona market. There's still the buyer rush of people trying to purchase a property as they now see interest rates rise, which we've been warning about. Buyers are starting to see that they cannot afford as much as they could before, so they're trying to hurry and grab that property. If you're thinking about renting, remember, if you rent for a year and the interest rates continue to go up and home values continue to go up as predicted, you will get priced out of the market. If you're thinking about selling, you will expect competition to grow. We've received a 27% increase of inventory across the valley just last week alone. The more inventory, the more choices buyers have and the less negotiation power you will have. Every homeowner thinks their home is worth more than what it really is. If you only get 2 offers instead of 10 offers, you're still in a good position. It only takes 1 offer to sell your home. Well, I hope you find this video insightful of what is happening in the Arizona market. The market is very volatile, and I'm sure I will have some more news to share next month. I'm Nicole Lorg at HomeSmart Lifestyles, bringing you all things Arizona. I'll talk to you soon.